Hey everyone, Chris Ridgway with Swivellink. So I want to do another video, something a little bit different. I want to walk you through our website and everything that it has to offer. I think there's some valuable resources here and some information that you could be utilizing. So I'm just going to walk through the different tabs. I'm going to start off with the home page. Got a scroller here showing some different things. Then if you want to click on a certain product category, you can do that direct from there. Or join our family. Maybe you think you'd be a good distributor of our product line. Send us some information and we'll go from there with that. On to our brand match section. So this is very valuable when you're trying to figure out if we have a plate for a certain brand. You go here, a lot of information, may take a few seconds for it to load up. You can scroll down through here and all the different brands we have available. You can search over here, so right there you can see there's advanced illumination. We'll start to put in smart vision. You'll see that starts to filter through. Maybe you want to search, I don't know, the Insight series of Cognex. You can go down through there. Then you can also go over here and show all, which is what it's doing right now. Or you can click Imperial or Metric if you want one of those two options, and then break it down from there. So let's do that. Let's just click the Imperial, and it'll go down through, show you the different things that we have available on the Insight line. So to the left, it's going to show you that series number within the brand, and then to the right, it's going to show you the Swivellink part number that you would need to order. So this is real handy. This is kept up to date pretty regularly. So you can go on here, search, get the plate information of what you need. Next thing is going to be history. So if you kind of want to read through the Swivellink history, you can go there for that. Products. So for some of you, you may know everything we have and you may not. With this, we have mounts, we have vacuum kits to create your own end-of-arm tooling, conveyors, guarding, robot accessories, and safety devices. So we'll just walk through some of this. Then over to the left too, you can either click on the image and bring stuff up, or you can do a drop down, show you the different things. So we'll go into the mounts. You can see where you can click on the bases, the knuckles, basic kits, things like that. EOAT. We've got some different things here. We've got some kits that are available. Depending on what you're looking for, we have some different adapter plates and stuff like that. Conveyors. I'm not going to get into too much detail of the stuff. I do have some videos on YouTube. If you go to Swivellink and like my channel, you'll see some more information directly in regards to the different product categories. So here in the conveyors, we've got some accessories. So some leg stand options, motor options, replacement belts, side rails, and then some leg braces. Complete conveyors. We started offering those within our Swivellink line, I want to say maybe last August, something like that. But we've been building these things for quite a few years. We have the blue Imperial option, and then we do have a metric option that is gray. General parts. It's going to be your basic, if you need a replacement part or anything like that, which is very rare, but if you do, that's where you would go for that. General kits. So this is going to be if you want to build your own conveyor and add your own extrusion, motor, belt, assuming that those things are spec to work with this design. And you can consult us about that or your Swivellink distributor. So that's what you would do it there, just kit to build your own. Then you got a drive kit. It's going to come with some basic stuff to mount a motor. Onto the guarding. So we have sneeze guard kits, quick kits, panels, post and feet, door kits, accessories, different stuff there. These sneeze guard kits, got a couple options on there on widths and height, but if there's anything else that comes up that you would need size wise, just let us know. Not a big deal. We can offer some other ones. Let's look at the quick kits. If you know what you roughly need size wise, that's what this is going to be for. You get your panels, your posts, your feet. You got a door you can select. Comes with 2-inch mesh. Going to come with some floor anchors, things like that. So instead of measuring everything out, piecing it all together, trying to order a bunch of different part numbers, this just makes it one part number and you're ready to rock and roll. Onto the robot accessories. You can see we got some cobot pedestals, some standard ones, some mounting plate kits, and then a teach pendant holder. We'll look at these cobot pedestals. You can see in here we've got some available from a 24-inch up to a 48-inch in those 6-inch increments. We do have a 45-degree adapter that you could use as a standalone mount if you want to, or you can mount it to the top of the stand. I'm going to go in here and show you one other thing. This is actually in a couple locations, but on the cobot, just to let you know what all that holds. The different UR robots, some Omron, some Fanuc you can see down through there. But on the CAD data, if you need to download a step or an IGES file, we've got some information right there for you. Let's go back to the standard ones. These are set up a little bit different. Set up with a blank top, so if you want to purchase these and do your own machining, you can. Or maybe you're just going to use it for something totally different than mounting a robot, you can do that as well. If you do know the robot that you want to be mounted on there, we can machine those for you before they ship out. That's not a big deal as well. Just let your distributor know which robot that is that you're looking to have mounted. We'll make sure that it'll work for this style. If it's too big, we do make custom stands as well. Let's look at the robot mounting kits. So with this here is just some basic plates to mount some different robots, or we do have kits where it's the plate with the extrusion bed around it to be able to mount that. Teach pendant holder. So if you're needing to mount a teach pendant, a couple ways this can be used. It can be used with this desk right here, where the pendant will mount on there. Then that mile-long cord you get, you can wrap that around the back on what we call the hanger. Or some of those you could just take. They have like the little, we'll just say, belt loop on the top of them. If you don't want the desk, put that little loop over the top of the hanger, mount that, and then you can still wrap your cord up around there. Safety devices. This is a fairly new device called the PLX. You've got the main unit there, or some optional cables, Banner, Rockwell, Schmersel, SICK, and you may have your own that works as well. Let's click here. So the PLX, just real quick for those who don't know, it's a universal device designed to insert in series with equipment safety devices. It's going to induce faults, validate the functionality and diagnostic coverage of the safety system. So when you're checking your light curtain, your door switch, whatever it may be, your interlock, it's going to be able to induce some fault into the system, make sure everything checks out properly. So there are the products. Resources. So CAD data, here you go. You've got another option for this. At the top you can see some different tabs, so if you want to scroll through the mounting solutions, the OAT, conveyors, and so forth, you're able to do that. I'll go over here to the robot stands. You can see you can go down through here, download some things. So straight from the product category or under here under the resources. Catalog downloads. Go down through here. Got them in some different translations. We also have a lot of different flyers available in this area too. What else we got here? Some application photos, some videos, Strong Guard, and then what is the PLX if you want a little bit more information. How do I buy? Not sure who to buy from. Maybe you never had a Swivellink distributor stop in, or you're just new to needing it, whatever it is. So some things here you can do. You can go down through, and we are set up in lots of different countries. So you can go through and select a country, or you can go over here, and I'm just going to type in Toledo, Ohio, just because it's close to me. So you can click that, get your little search box. And then I'm going to assume Google, whatever this is plugged into, is fairly accurate. You can see where it kind of gives you the miles of how far away it is. So you can go down through here, and let's search another one. Let's go with Atlanta. You see where it says Atlanta, Georgia City. Let's do this. There's the USA one. I think it just gives you a better search. So then you can go down through and select whatever you need there. So let's go back to home. So once again, you've got home, you have your brand match, your history, your products, your resources, and then how do I buy. And then under that too, you have contact us. So if you need to contact us for anything, please feel free to do that. We'll help you out the best that we can. So I hope this video was informative and helpful. Once again, a lot of good information on here. If you need to find, if we have a plate for something, you need to look for a distributor, look up some products, download some CAD data, things like that. I'll be putting out another video here soon. Like I said last time, I put out a video that said, hey, think about mobile, think about machine tending. So hopefully I'll get some more information on that to you here within the next couple weeks or so. Until then, as always, I appreciate your time and thanks for watching.